Hi guys, Kirk here with the World Monster Truck Alliance, ready to set a new lineup for this week. We are going to be in Anaheim and Dayton for two shows. Anaheim is a big 16 truck stadium event, and Dayton another arena event. Without further ado, let me go ahead and set that lineup for you. So once again, guys, you can choose from any of those trucks. We also do have three trucks already reserved for the show. Those three trucks already reserved are Jose Garcia in Gravedigger, Minolta Toyota Dude in Hot Wheels Firestorm, and Catherine 36550 in Madusa. So those are the trucks that are going to be again in Anaheim. Now, we'll go ahead and show you the trucks for Dayton. That's an 8-truck stadium arena show. Pretty good lineup today. First we have So once again, you can choose from any of those trucks, but those three reserved trucks that were Madusa, Hot Wheels, Firestorm, and Gravedigger, those three are reserved. Any other truck you saw in this video is free to select. Go ahead and put your selections in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and next time we'll have racing.